I had a plan to start posting videos on this channel this year regularly, but I think I severely underestimated how much work that would take, especially for the types of videos I wanted to create. And as a result, I've posted close to nothing. I've played around with the idea of what types of videos I want to make, what topics I want to approach, how much production I want to sink into it, and I've realized a few things. The first one is that I'm probably just procrastinating instead of actually making the videos. The second is no one cares, so honestly I should just do whatever I want. The really important thing here is I actually have to make something, and talking about it is something, so here I am. So today I just want to make a quick little video on those topics. And the first thing is, don't compare yourself to others. I thought I'd grown immune to this by now, but I was completely wrong. Reality is, with social media and being able to look into other people's lives and their work, it's almost impossible to not compare yourself to them, even if just subconsciously. And I think the important thing here is you don't know these people. And even if you do know these people personally, you probably don't know all of their backstory or all of the context around them. There are a lot of things going on behind the scenes that you don't see. The thing is, what people put on the internet is more often than not what they want you to see. It's what they want to be seen by the outside world. It's really like the highlight reel of people's lives. And that can and will make you feel like you're lagging behind, because you're seeing the lows in your life and not on theirs. And trying to keep up with their highlight reel when you see the whole movie for your own life will eventually lead you to burnout. You will burn out trying to keep up with them, because honestly, you never will keep up with them. It's this idea of what it is that you want to keep up with that is not realistic. And it's not even about replicating someone else's journey. It's really about your own journey, which is what you should focus on. I remember vividly when I started producing music that you'd see these videos of like 12-year-old music producers making like absolute bangers. And I remember I just felt discouraged. And I now realize that I was the problem there. It wasn't them. Like they were doing the right things and they were sharing it online. It was me that I took it the wrong way. I took it as a discouragement when it should have been an encouragement. I should have taken it as inspiration. I took it as I'm running behind in this race. And the reality is there is no race. The only race there is between me and me. I thought I'd had to be a millionaire by 20 because I saw other people doing it. Yes, I was comparing myself to the top point whatever percent, but you wouldn't want to compare yourself when it comes to being ambitious to the bottom 0.01%, right? You want to aim higher. But the key here is you don't know what's behind the scenes. You don't know if they had rich parents. You don't know what opportunities and obstacles they had in their way. You don't even know how they did it, regardless of how they may portray that online. You really just have to come to terms with the fact that you know close to nothing about their journey. And even if you did, it's their journey, not yours. So it doesn't matter. Yeah, sure, it would be nice to have a lot more money. Those are just sacrifices that I'm just not willing to make. And that's fine, because I realize that I'm not willing to make them. That's fine. I don't see the value in doing certain things. Grinding your whole life away for material possessions is not the path that I want to follow. And that's fine. I still grind, but not to an extent where I wouldn't be living life anymore. I just found a way that works for me and makes me happy. I'm paving my own path. I know it's gonna take time. It's gonna take more time than if I did it in a shady way, but I want to do it my way. And I know it's very much like building a house, except you're doing it on your own. So you're laying down brick by brick and laying out this foundation for the house to be built in. Moral of the story here is be ambitious, follow your dreams, but don't do it because you see someone else doing it and you think that you should do it too. Do it for you. It's your own path, it's your own life. You get one, so do it for yourself. The second thing I wanted to talk about is don't think, just do. You can think all you want. I've been the biggest culprit of doing this. You can think all you want, research all you want, plan all you want. It's not the same thing as doing. There's no thing you can do that's going to bring you as much success and development and get you closer to your goals than actually doing the thing. Just do the thing. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes you don't want to do it. And sometimes that's exactly why you should do it, that is just a sign that you know you should be doing this thing. You're just procrastinating because that's a normal response. You just got to push through it. Life is all about action. It's about doing. You can spend all the time that you want sitting in the locker room, making up all these strategies about how you're going to do this and do that. But it's not the same thing as being out in the field, actually playing, like doing the thing. The things you're going to learn out in the field are just different. I could tell you all about the game, but if you've never played it, there are just things that they're yet to click. So you can learn all the theory you want, but practicing, putting in the actual work is way different. So don't think, just do it. You know what you gotta do, go do it. Third thing is, be yourself, man. Focus on yourself, know yourself, and follow your own values and morals. Do things your own way. I see people get in places because they're stepping on others. They're scamming people, they're tricking people. I just don't like that. That's just not how I want to be remembered when I inevitably leave this world. I'll have it done my way, by my values. For me, it's just not by any means necessary. It's by my means. I want to grow, doing things I love, creating the things I want to create, doing things that bring me joy, not just chasing what others want me to chase. Will there have to be compromises along the way? Yeah, sure. But when push comes to shove, I want to say I did it my way. I heard someone once say that you should live in a way that makes the 8-year-old you proud and the 80-year-old you proud. And that's all I'm trying to do, just staying true to myself. Sorry if I'm rambling at this point, but I really just thought I needed to get this off my chest. I want to finish by saying this. Your journey is your own and no one else's. You are riding your own ride, and you should enjoy that. Comparison is the thief of all joy. So focus on your own wave, stay true to yourself, disregard what others are doing. Do you. That's it. All the best. Stay safe.